Now, this is a video on how to grow your YouTube, how to grow any of your social media handle. It might not be YouTube, it might be Facebook, it might be Instagram. This is a method that will grow your social media handle faster. Like you are going to get a lot of subscribers, you are going to get a lot of followers, you're going to get a lot of subscribers you'll be able to grow your subscribers in the next 30 days to 90 days. Now you need to follow this step one after the other. Watch this video very carefully because this enable you not to upload a copyright strike video. Yes, because if you get a copyright strike for 3 to 4 times, YouTube is going to give you one strike on your channel, which is not what you want. So you need to watch this video detailedly to the end so that you will not get this copyright strike. I am going to show you how you can get music without copyright strike, how you can get videos without copyright strike, and how to edit this video without copyright strike on your channel. Now let's get into this video. First of all, we are going to go to the YouTube Studio app to get the music we are going to use. There's a non-copyrighted music. So basically, YouTube has already given us this platform where you can be able to take in music from uncopyrighted music you can use on your channel. And I'm going to be giving you another place where you can get uncopyrighted music for this method I'm going to be showing you. Or if you are doing a vlog and anything, you are going to get uncopyrighted music from there. So just stick with me on this video so you can listen to the video here. Once you listen to the audio, sorry, you can listen to this audio here. Once you listen to the audio, then you click on download. You can see it will tell you to download. Then once it's downloading, see it's downloading now. Then do you see that it's downloading? Now this is going to download directly to your file, so you make sure that you go there and save. So you just click on download. I've gotten it. So you click on download. Then this is my first time using Firefox for my phone. Then you save to files. Then you see the music has been saved to files. So once you are done with that, InShot and edit this video. You need to edit the video. That is what you are going to do. You need to edit the video. So you go to InShot and then take the video from InShot. So let us download the video we want to use for. So we can use AI videos for. You can use AI videos for whatever you want to do. Just use AI videos because they are the ones that are not going to even give you any copyright strike. That is my thought for it. Use AI videos so that you will not get any copyright strike from AI videos. So let's take this one. I'm going to copy the link now. So make sure that the video and the music is in reading. So whatever video you want to use, I'm just going to choose this video for educational purpose, just for tutorial. So you can remove the free ad, but let's skip to what I came here to do. So now we're going to add audio. This is, you click on audio here, then you click on music. So you are going to click imported. So you import from files. So you import from files. So you click on files. I think this is the music we saved. So it has been successfully saved. So when you trim, you cut it, split it to the one you don't want to use. Then when you are done, you save. When you are done saving, then you can now go back to your YouTube app and download your video. But stick with me, I'm going to show you another place where you are going to get free music without any hassle. Free music without any hassle, without having to think of copyright strike or anything. So let's go there now. On your YouTube, you are going to type BGM President. So when you type here, BGM President gives free music, but what you need to do is when you have used their music, you need to tag them in the description that it was their music you used. You can play any of the music, screen record it, then when you want to do, you extract the music from the screen record. That's how you get the music. So make sure that you are tagging them, that your music is gotten from them. But if your music was not gotten from them, then go ahead to your channel, then post your shorts. So you can add your shorts. You can see now that starting audience to your channel. You can do this on any app at all. I wanted to download a viral VA, an AI video, but it wasn't downloaded. So you can do this and get your 1000 subscriber fast. Once you are done doing this, make sure that you delete those videos, you delete them. And if it's your content, then you can leave them, just leave them there. But if it's not your content, if they are not your content, delete them if they are not your content. And this method I've given you is going to eradicate it's going to eradicate copyright strike, especially from the music. Yes, especially from the music. You can get any AI video from anywhere, Instagram, TikTok, and then download it. Use any type of method that you normally download videos online. Download it and then use this method I have shown you. Then if you are using BM presidents, remember that you are supposed to reference them whenever you are using their music. That is all for this video, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. And if you found value in this tutorial I've given to you, subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up, and I'll be seeing you in my next